Okay, follow-up of a century. Many moons ago, I crashed out over the ambient occlusion textures in Blender. I wanted as few button presses to generate a simple black and white texture for exporting into Unreal. So I made this video, which somehow is my most watched video. Go figure. But since then, I have found a better way that I now use for everything, and is already included in Blender if you're willing to enable an extension. The extension in question is called Ucupaint. It solves Blender's lack of layer-based texture painting, but that's not what we're concerned with right now. I have another video about using it for texture painting if you're interested. But to get it, just go to Preferences, Extensions, then look up Ucupaint. I obviously already have it installed, but you hit install and let it do its thing. An assumption I'm making is you have a finished model with accurate UVs. Whether you did it yourself or auto UV project, it doesn't matter. But in this, or any other texture baking, you do need to have correct UVs. Now, pop over to the Texture Paint tab, open your sidebar, and Ucupaint should be there. Select your object, select Quick Ucupaint Node Setup, and it'll do its thing. Most of my assets are flat, so I just use color. Definitely all you need for an AO mask is color, but whatever you're doing, go for it. Behind the scenes, I think this does some node stuff, but I have never looked at it even once, so I'm not going to worry about it. In the layers list, add a new one, press Ambient Occlusion, choose your resolution. I'm sure there's reasons to touch the other stuff, but I never do, and click OK. Give it a sec, and depending on your model, there you go. A wonderful AO mask. But to get this sucker out, you do have to change one thing. Select your texture in the list, and you'll see at the bottom it's set to multiply. This is because normally you want that to multiply over the other texture below it, but because there's nothing below it, it'll be completely black if you try to bake it down. So we just have to set that to mix. Mix is just a normal layer. Now, in the gear, bake it, and on the left, you should see the 2D texture is now visible. Go to Image, Save As, call it what you like, and save it where you want. Done. It's fantastic. Quick bonus tip, if you're creating an AO mask for a mesh that has moving parts, like this gun mesh here, you'd notice that baking just the mesh as it is, all the internal parts would be black, since the AO mask couldn't reach them. My advice, pose the mesh in a way that best represents how light should hit it. In the case of this gun, I've opened up all the pieces that move, I've taken the magazine out, etc. Because Ucupaint doesn't care really what's going on with the mesh, it'll just bake what it sees. So it'll bake the pose instead. This whole thing is much closer to what I wanted out of Blender for this task, more like how it worked in 3D Coat, which I had switched to for a while. It also is designed by somebody much smarter than me, so I'm sure it's working better under the hood. Hopefully that helps some folks that are trying to solve this issue in their work, judging from the comments and views on the previous one. The people yearn for ambient occlusion. But outside of the AO stuff, Ucupaint is really great. Again, I have a full video talking about it if you want to check it out, see how it's used in my game project, and you can learn more there. Anyways, hope it helped. Thanks, take care, see you in the next one.